launch for you guys in the Indian market. I'm talking about these Faces Sparkle Dust. These actually are a relaunch. These were earlier called these Stackables, I guess. I have one of the shades from their earlier range, and whenever I used to use it, a lot of you used to ask me where did I buy it from, but that was discontinued, and it was really sad because that's a really nice and versatile product. But then they relaunched it, and they've launched it in a variety of colors, so that's a good thing. I have two of these colors for you to review. Obviously, one of them is named Wild, which is this one, which has like a number of colors in it, and the other one is called Zebra, which is more like a monochrome or white, black, grey sort of a shade range. So these Sparkle Dust retail for $7.99 for each of these, which is great because you're paying 800 rupees for 5 different shades, and there's a lot of product in there. I'm not really sure about the grams. Let me check. So there's 7 grams of product in each of these stackables, which is great because these pigments are extremely pigmented, so you don't need a lot of product. So that's why this will go a long way. I find the packaging is pretty convenient. You just unscrew each of these stackable box and you can have the color in there, and you just like click it back up or screw it back up, and then you have 5 colors according to your color type. You can even customize your own sort of like shade range if you want. Like if I want to add a black in here, I can just like unscrew the green and screw it here, and unscrew the black from here and screw it back there, which is great. So if you're a traveling sort of a person, or you don't have a lot of space, then these are really easy as they're very tiny, so they're easy to store, and then you don't need a lot of space for them. So that's why I find these are really compact and nice. The pigments are beautiful. The color payoff is extremely good, although because they are loose pigments, you might sort of face some sort of fallout with them, so you might want to wet your brush. There was so much of might and sort of in the sentence that but we're not gonna mind that, right? Right. As I was saying, the colors are extremely pigmented, so I'm gonna start off with the shade Wild first. So the shade Wild has a beautiful pink which has sort of blue undertones, then it has a flat out purple, then there's a peacock blue which is extremely pretty, then there's a teal color which has gotta be my favorite, and the last is a green which was also there in my previous stackable, which was named Frolic. Moving on to Wild, it has this white color which has no gold or pink reflex, which is really amazing because all of the white pigments that I own have sort of a gold or pink reflex, but this has none. This is just like a white. Then there's this light grey color. It's a beautiful color, and then there's this dark grey color which is not extremely different from the light grey, but it still has some sort of its own unique color. Then there's this matte black, which is the only matte pigment that I have in both of the stackables, and it's really pretty, guys. And the last one has to be my favorite from this stackable. It is sort of like a black with a lot of shimmers, which is beautiful. Now obviously I had to add in some more ways of using this, so I came up with 5 extra ways of using this except just like an eyeshadow. You can use this to line your eyes. Just mix in a mixing medium like Vicks Plus from MAC or Inglot Duraline, and just mix it up and then apply it all over your eyes like a liner, and it will look beautiful. You can also do the same procedure and apply like a colored mascara. You can also go for the black to make a normal mascara if you run out of your mascara, or if you want to have a colored mascara for a day but you don't want to spend that much on a colored mascara because you just want it for a day, you can use any of those colored pigments and apply it like a mascara. Then you can use this as a lip gloss as well. Just take a clear lip gloss and mix in some of that in your favorite colored pigment. You can again go for a crazy color without actually spending on a crazy color, and you can apply this all over your lips. You can use the white shade from the Zebra stackable as your highlighter. It would look gorgeous, and you can use the pink shade from the Wild stackable as a blush. Again, it would look gorgeous. I do have 2 more ways of using it. First of all, you can use it like a nail polish. I haven't included a clip of that because I didn't want to change my manicure. And secondly, you can use it like a temporary hair color. Let me know if you want like a video on that, because I found this way where you can mix these colors with a hair gel and then apply it to your hair for temporary hair color like streaks or something like that, which I found was really interesting. Again, I did not want to do that because my hair was recently washed and I had to go somewhere, so I did not want to do that. So yes, those were my different ways of using these stackables. I think these are versatile, these are cost effective, and they just do so much more than what they're supposed to do, and that's why I feel they are a perfect product for every beginner who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on makeup but still wants bomb.com sort of a face. So I really recommend these stackables because these pigments are beautiful, guys, and these are not expensive, which is great. It's simply great. I really recommend this product. You should go ahead and buy this like buy this right now. As for their availability, I got mine of Nykaa, but I'm really sure that Faces counters will also be carrying these. Other than that, I will try to incorporate a link in the bottom bar so you can directly go and shop, because I know you guys love shopping. So yes, that was my review for the newly launched or relaunched Faces Shimmer Dust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And don't forget to check out all of my social media, which would be linked in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.